guys, so this is gonna be another tutorial video. I'll be showing you guys how I make ear savers. This is something that helped me during the quarantine to earn some money. Since it's pandemic, everyone is wearing a mask. Ear savers prevent us from having ear sore, so it's very useful. Especially to those who are wearing face mask for a longer time. I don't have a pattern. I just do it based on what I know about crochet, and it's very simple. It's very easy to follow. It's just one round. I'm not very technical about crochet. Let's get started. Okay, so all you need is a yarn, cotton yarn, 5mm hook, and some colorful buttons. You also need needle and scissors. So grab your yarn, take as much as you need, and we're about to make a knot. If you have your own way to make a knot, that's fine. And we're going to make a chain of 31. That chain could make a 5-inch ear saver. That's the standard size for me. We are now going to start with the first round. We are gonna yarn over and insert the hook into the second chain next to where your hook is. Then pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Then yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, and pull through all the way. We are just going to repeat that in every single chain that's left. Okay, so now we are in the second to the last chain, and we are now going to make 6 half double crochet into that last chain. Now we are just going to continue doing half double crochet in each chain on the other side. Okay guys, we're almost done and we're now going to make 4 half double crochets on the very first stitch. Okay guys, to make a slip stitch, you're gonna insert your hook, yarn over, and then pull through with that loop left on your hook. Now, the Earsavers will not be Earsavers without the buttons. You can pick any color or with designs, it's up to you. To insert the yarn, you can use a thinner hook so it will fit the buttonhole. Okay, now take your scissors to cut those ends, and now we're done. And that's how I make my Earsavers. I hope you like this tutorial. And for more videos like this, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!